Alright folks, we're back with the world's dumbest trap base. For you guys that didn't see video 1, this is the world's dumbest trap base. It's a simple 2x2 with a missing wall with snap traps on the outside. It also has a couple front doors just for expansions, but I figured to show you guys a little bit of the inside and the outside before we start the video, so you kind of get a lay of the land on what kind of base this is. And now I'm going to build it in an actual vanilla server and show you guys how it works and how it pisses off the entire server. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please put a like and a subscribe down below. I really appreciate it. Thank you guys so much. We love the Chinese doors. Then people think we're a Chinese Zerg. What a big dummy, this guy. Oh, tuna can lantern, oh boy. Super important to make sure you take your tuna can lantern and shove her on the wall. Doink! Got him! Another one. Oh my goodness. Not even finished building the base. Oh, he's loaded. He had worms. Oh boy. Oh boy. Snap trap. Snap trap. Don't mind me almost falling in. Snap trap. We've got a sword under there. We got a crab. Oh, sometimes the angles on these snap traps don't really permit you to reset them quickly. But it's important to reset them quickly because there's tons of dumb people in some. Oh god, another one. Oh boy. Oh, he is broke. Dang it. Dang it. We got a bow? We got a bow. Okay, here we go. Oh god, there's a guy running up. He had his horse right from Outpost. Oh boy. Let's see what we got cooking. Looks like there's a graveyard a little bit out here. Another guy. And he had decent loot. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I can get all the helmets all at once. Oh boy. Alright, now this guy had a teammate, and apparently he looted all his body, which he must have been loaded. But we got some of the clip, and I figured you guys would want to see a little bit turned into a graveyard out here. Okay, at this point, I'm starting to get people door camping me, hanging out at my base, and it's becoming a battle royale kind of a spot. So here I'm starting to deal with the door campers, and the door campers are fighting each other, so I'm absolutely causing just chaos. But here we go, and I hear him hitting him. I'm gonna run out there. Always want to give the second shot just for security, but of course he's broke. Alright, now everyone's looking at everyone trying to figure out who it is, and I'm just standing there saying, who, me? It's not me. And now everyone's fighting amongst themselves, so it's becoming a complete free-for-all in Outpost. Remember, my base is on the very edge of Outpost. Alright, you're going to see a genuine mess-up by me, thinking that my shotgun trap is placed perfectly. And as you can see, this guy has already been killed by it a couple times. So he's smart now and he got in. So now I'm, oh shit, he's in here. He sucks at hitting. So I just kind of let him fly around, make sure I land the contact. And he actually brought me in loot. Not a bad guy, not a bad guy. There's nothing more degrading than hitting someone with a torch. Alright, this is where my luck starts to turn. Everyone is congregated right inside Outpost again. Whole new group of people, and they're trying to figure out whose base it is. I'm standing there saying it's not me, and I live over at another base. Everyone's looking around. Meanwhile, I'm just being a gangsta, big chillin'. I knew the door camping was coming, heavy, but I didn't think it was coming this fast. So I have to go out there and handle that real quick. Let's see how it goes. Before you guys ask, no, I could not use game volume. I could not post our game chat. too toxic for YouTube standards and TikTok standards. So you guys have to take my word for it. They were pretty upset. So both of these kids, one of these guys, the guy to the right that I let die, has been door camping me for a little over an hour at this point. So I'm a little annoyed. So I end up bringing up the other guy, telling him if he kills him, I'll be cool with him. He says okay and agrees. So at this point, I realize I have a gaggle watching me from Outpost, as you can tell. And I've got to figure out how to get out there. That guy is waiting there with a Tommy, but if he shoots me, he'll get killed by Outpost. So I need to play this carefully. I hate when these brokies always end up in my trap. Look at this. Brokey. Goddamn brokey. At this point, I was baiting people in by standing on the front door and just shooting, and it absolutely worked. I left the door open, he killed me, and then he's like, ooh, shit, he thinks he's trying to defend. Meanwhile, he was a full metal AK kit, which I couldn't grab the AK. I just decided to get the metal inside, get the 2 stacks of ammo inside, and let's go back out and get that AK. As you can tell, sometimes it's actually hard to grab the loot because of all the actions that are there between snap traps, harvesting hemp, harvesting all the plants, everything we use to hide the snap traps. But you can, sometimes you have to pick stuff and move around, but I kind of made this perfect so I could actually get in there and get that AK. So as you can tell, I had to pick and clear a bush and then snag that AK. People say these are hard to get. They're not. So there you guys have it. The Chinese trap base in use. Always use your Chinese door skins. Skins are really important with this trap. If you don't have skins, I would kind of avoid doing this trap base. You really want light up, bright boxes for skins, some light, bright up doors. I prefer the Chinese doors because they're super bright. And this is the base for you guys. And if you guys like this video, or if you steal this trap base design and use it for yourself to progress your wipe on wipe day, please throw a like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.